You are looking for a door speaker, right? High quality. In this video here, we will show you the novelty there of JBL Alto, talking about 6-in, right? That you put there in the door of your car to stay here in tremendous quality, I'm sure will please you too. A new release from JBL, which everyone knows about the qualities of box boxes, right? The case. And also here, I'm just talking about seeing with this quality there. So do you want to put another speaker for the door? This one will please you. Let's take a look here at his price in the specifications. To see if he's really good, let's take a look here at him playing too. So we have an idea, but before starting, someone starts with you who is not yet subscribed to the channel you wrote. See that it is written right down here, and also comment on something if you want this video to go to more people, right? You have to comment on something, even if it's anything, you have to comment on YouTube and recommend this video to other people, right? Comment there. Something is very important. So let's see his price here and just talk about playing to see if he has this quality, even though JBL has always had, right? Come with me. And here's the speaker, right? From JBL. In that case, he came here, guys, there's a prank, right? When you come to Mercado Libre, there's a catch. You come here 160 RMS, 160 RMS, it's putting the two together, right? A lot of people fall, right? Already came subscribed here on the channel. Oh boy, I bought a speaker. When it arrived, it was 80. Okay, guys, RMS here is 80 RMS for each, right? If I'm not mistaken, JBL had made another speaker 6-per incidentally for the door too, which sold too, right? It was a Fever. This one I think is even more beautiful, right? I'll lie to you. There's this little square here. It reminds me a lot of the boxes in a box, right? That little triangle. It's not that cheap, right? There are speakers there for 100 BRL, 120 BRL, right? Which you can buy from other brands, but in question. AGB quality was different, right, people? So let's take a look. I'm curious here just in the points to see if its frequency is cool, right? Because there's no point in having 11 speakers, right? I already had the speaker from another brand. It only went down to 90. So you only heard that voice, that heavy, low, heavy, didn't have it. So let's take a look here, huh? This subwoofer looks like it's a bit of a diaxial subwoofer, right? In the case of 6-in, 180 RMS, 180 RMS. No, 80 RMS, but look, let's not deny it. Here you can see that his magnet is a little silly, right? That one, but it's small, so it's here. It's beautiful, man, huh? I think there's definitely a little eraser here to cover this up here. It's definitely not going to leave it like this, even with this Arbirada here colorized, but it's beautiful, see, man? JBL is a symbol of quality, right? Everyone knows the quality of JBL, right? When you use it there, there's even an indication here, right? A Tiada is 400 RMs, right? You use it there. Let's see if he's 4 shoulders too, right? There is even an indication here. Oh, if you want to buy everything right in the package, the price of this speaker is 280. You can say, right, excluding freight, then freight for me here is free, right? But depending on your region, I live here in Teresina, Piauí, it's free, right? Capital is fucked, man. You who live in the countryside, for sure, it is about 50 BRL and 70 BRL. Here are its characteristics. 6-in speaker is joining the 2 speakers. 160 RMS comes 2 speakers. But if you want to buy for the 4 doors, then you have to buy 2 kits, right? In this case, the sensitivity of this speaker here is also 87 dB, right? In this case, his frequency here, guys, an interesting thing, it goes down well. I already liked it here from 60 to 60, right? In the case of my speaker that I used, it was 80. It was just voice. I only felt his voice, not the drumming, and half I didn't feel it. This one is 60, right? I remember the bass from the Tornadoes of Life 20,000, right? In this case, it goes up with Twitter, right? There's a little tweet there in front of him. You see here, there's a beautiful tweet here on the speaker. You can even do those residential boxes too, right? You don't just put it in the car door. You can make a square box like JBL, right? Square. The winter box is beautiful, man. A beautiful thing, Dad. Imagine it, right? Put a sterile sound. It's too top. This is a slice of 4 men, right? In that case, he marries straight with a brawl. Video there 11 mod 400 RMS. You put on the bridge there. Do not think to put all the power because it burns the speaker. Then you put it there, right? The level there less with a little top tape guy in front of the speaker. There is coil here and twitch here too. It says all his sizes here, right? To give you an idea. He's kind of small, isn't he? 6-in, just look at the door of a car. You see the size of the speaker. It comes with 2 speakers, as I said. And if you want to buy this speaker, I will leave it here in the description link directly and give. Okay? If you want to guarantee with us, then you will certainly not regret that it is what it is. The JBL product is consecrated. Then you know where 405, the Tornadoes of Life, the Vulcans are the most topical quality products. So it's there. If you want to buy with us. They're here in the description link, you buy. Okay, guys. One of the best speakers for sure from JBL. They're often from it. That's top, right? You're making the little box there inside the house, man. It's too top, an indication there, right? So you want to buy a 6-in speaker, and let's take a look at it playing, right? It's very important we see this speaker playing to see if it's all that quality, if it's beautiful or not, right? And you have the speaker, right? In the case, too beautiful, man. Look, I'll put the photo there. It's one thing, but when you see it in person, man, it's too beautiful, man. Take a look here. Him touching. Oh, the size of him. He's not that small, right? Too beautiful, man. Well finished in JBL products here. Looks like there are 11 rubber here, right? Look how beautiful it is, man. Imagine making a box. It's a box with stereo in your house, man. It needs to be big. No, see? The finish of it, tell me if it's not worth it, my dear. Tell me if it's not worth a beautiful deal like this. Nice to see JBL products. You are crazy. No comparison. Dad calls. See, it's because there's no box, right? When you put in a box, it's tremendous quality. See? There, right? The quality of the product. So, if you want a guarantee with us there, click here on the description. God bless you all, and until the next video, I hope I helped. And comment if you bought this speaker, if you already have it, so we can make recommendations and see if the cat is really top. Until the next video, huh?